Hello, I'm going to show you how to set up push notifications for any updates to your GitHub repository. So to do that, we're going to use GitHub Webhooks and the Spontit API. So this video assumes that you already have a GitHub repository and that you are already signed up with Spontit. If you need to learn just a quick how to set up Spontit on your phone and computer, it's pretty easy, and there's a link in the description. At Spontit, we enable you to send push notifications to any devices and anybody. So other people can follow your channel for free, and you can push them notifications, say about a repository. So for here, I'm on the push tab in Spontit. So I'm already logged in, and I click push here. Okay, and so the first thing we're going to do is send a test notification to our main channel, which is the one here. This is the default channel. It is already there when you sign up. And we're just going to make sure that notifications are already working on your devices. So we just type in test and then push to all. Okay, it works. You can open it and it will take you to that notification. Okay, so now the next thing is to set up the webhook. So go to the repository, click settings, click webhooks, click add webhook. Okay, so now we need to type in the URL. So https://api.spontit.com. So make sure it's API. And then do /webhooks/GitHub. So we have other webhooks if you're interested. And then now we need to specify which channel at the end of this URL. So to do that, we're first just going to do the main channel. So if you click the main channel and you click view, it will take you to that channel. This is the link. So we just take this, this end portion link, this is the channel. It's also my username, and we just slash, boom, okay? Make sure it's JSON here for the content type, and then we need a secret key. To do that, go to API, get secret keys, click create new key, and then copy it, and then go back here and paste here. And that's it. Enable SSL, yes. Push, yes. Active, yes. Add webhook. Okay, and there we go, and it worked. Okay, so now we can open it, and it will show us basically more things about it. Okay, and so then when we go here, we can just edit this really quickly, and then push it, and see, we get a notification that there is an update to the repository. And okay, so we can see here by GitHub Webflow at shows you the commit link. So something important here, this this link here. Here, it says to improve the body sent in the push, please contribute to github.com/spontit/GitHub Butchering. Okay, so what this means is that if you contribute here to this repository, GitHub Butchering, we can update our server to improve the body. So if there's something, say information about the webhook information that's missing, or that you would like to see added, or maybe you want the body formatted differently, just go here and maybe fork it, create a pull request, and we'll look at it. So one last thing, if you use Spontit, you'll have other people following your main channel, say friends, family, coworkers, however. So you might not want to push to everyone to that channel. So just create another channel, say GitHub repository. You can include a space and then click create, and then click view. And then again, we just get this here instead, okay? So we get that portion of it, and we use that for the webhook. So we click again, settings, webhooks, and we want to edit this webhook. And then instead of this, we put, remember, GitHub repository, because that's the channel that we got at the end of this URL here. And then update webhook. Okay, we can test it out. again. Oops, just test 2. Okay, and there it is. Okay, and now we can open it, and you can see it's sent to this channel instead. Great, so that's it. Again, please contribute to this repository so we can improve it for everybody. And if you want more webhooks connected to Spontit, please comment, and we'll be happy to look into it. And yeah, if you have any questions, please email info@spontit.com. And yeah, we look forward to you getting the most out of our application. Thank you very much.